And welcome back everyone, this is Mohammad Arsalan and you're watching my channel MArcSiddiqui. In the previous lectures of JavaScript we study about the introduction and we also learned that what are the working environments. In the lecture number 3, in today's lecture we are going to actually set up the working environment where we are going to start working about JavaScript. So let's begin. Installing Visual Studio Code. What is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a source code editor developed by Microsoft for Windows, Linux and for Mac OS for different operating systems. It includes support for debugging, amped git control and GitHub, syntax highlighting, intelligent coding, completion, snippet and especially code refactoring. So how to install? First go to Google, then type Visual Studio Code there, open up the first link and go to the official website of Visual Studio Code. Click download for Windows button, double click the downloaded file and install the setup. And actually it's not going too easy, so I'm going to show you a practical demo that how to download and install Visual Studio Code. So let's move to browser. Here in Google link I am going to write Visual Studio Code and press enter, and I am going to open up the very first link provided by the Google, and it's in the official website where we will find Visual Studio Code. So now what you need to do, you just need to click this button, download for Windows. Click it and the downloading will start in short a while. And as it installs, so let's press Ctrl+C and go to downloading files, and you can see that it's being downloaded. So it's quite fast. So as it downloaded, we will start up the installation process of Visual Studio Code, and it's going to be quite easy. Until then we should review the website, that what they are telling, that you can see here that we can easily write the code here. We don't need to memorize all the code, and especially that Visual Studio Code is available for Python, C++, Slint and C#. It's also available for these languages as well. It's not for just JavaScript, but it's for other languages as well. So now almost the downloading has been finished, and as it get finished, we will go to the downloaded file and it will start installation. So what I am going to do, that I am going to just open the file link, that where is the file being downloaded. Here you can see the file has been downloaded, so I'm going to show in folder, and here is my file. I'm going to double click it, start it, make it run. And here you can see the process. They are asking us to accept an agreement, so just accept it and click next, and let them be checked as they are. So you don't need to create some short desktop icons or etc. as well. Just click next and install. The installation has been started, and it's going to complete in a while. And as it get completed, we will open it up and we'll leave for the next lecture. And in the next lecture we will be actually going to perform some coding operations, but for today's lecture our task was just to set up the environment, and almost we have done it. As it gets completed, our today's lecture will be completed. So I hope that you will follow me with this, and if you have any query you can ask to me, but I don't think it's quite difficult. You can review the video and it's quite easy. So it's almost done now, and just wait for a while that it gets completed, and after that we will going to check it. So I'm going to check it now. I'm going to let it be checked because I want to launch the Visual Studio Code, and I want to show you that how it's looking. So just click finish and it will start. So here you click, this is the first view of the Visual Studio Code after being installed. And in fact actually I think I had previously installed Visual Studio Code and I was using the dark theme, and I was using some previous documents, so that's why they are being open here. So I'm going to just close them all. I am gonna close all the documents, and I would like to change the theme from dark to light because it will be very suitable for us in working environment and recording mode. So I'm going to make a light default theme. So this is the first layout, this is the first view of our Visual Studio Code, and in the next lecture we will be moving forward to make some codes. I hope you have understand that how to install the Visual Studio Code. If you have any question, any query, you can ask me, you can contact me. I will definitely get back to you. Thank you. Have a good day.